Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Skoda Karoq SportLine. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the DSG automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 41 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 41,000 miles and comes with full service history from Skoda. This particular colour is the moon white and looks in good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, we have the nice clean interior. There's the smart pattern there on the seats and they're also really comfortable. There's an armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has heated front seats as well as climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card there you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. On the SportLine as well, you also have the glass opening roof, so that lets in plenty of daylight for you. The Karoq's a great car for the family, so nice wide door openings if you're getting children in and out of car seats, lots of legroom and headroom. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and then rear passengers have their own air vents, as well as a 12-volt socket there in the centre. And as we open the tailgate, which is electric, you have the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have your tyre inflator kit and a bit of extra storage as well, so that's nice and practical. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.